Hi everyone, just want to welcome everyone back for this new school year. We're very excited to see all your faces down the hallway and in the classrooms. Um, I just want to introduce myself. I'm Miss McIntyre and I'm in charge of the middle school um, grade levels, 6 through 8. And anytime that we need any kind of counseling issues, that would go to Mrs. Shriver. But anything else that, as far as scheduling, bullying reports, those types of things, you can come and report those things to me. So at this time, I would like to introduce Mrs. Shriver.
Hello, everybody. I am Mrs. Shriver, as Miss McIntyre said. I am the school counselor that I'm primarily responsible for grades 9 through 12. However, as Miss McIntyre previously stated, if there are specific counseling needs for the middle school students, then I would handle those as well. Miss McIntyre and I help students with academic, personal, and career and counseling needs. So if there's students or parents that have any questions or concerns in any of these areas, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You're welcome to give us a call. You can email us. Students, for you, we would like for you to follow a specific procedure in order to communicate with either Miss McIntyre or myself. This year, with all of the COVID concerns, we would like for students to email either Miss McIntyre or myself if you have a question or a concern. We will try to answer as many as we can through email, and if it requires that we meet face to face, we will make that happen and address the needs as we see that they need to be addressed going further. Obviously, if it's an emergency, please make sure that you communicate that with your teacher. They'll get a hold of us and we will go from there in that aspect. We know that there's a lot of apprehension, a lot of concerns with COVID coming up, and we want you to know that we are here to help you get through this, and I promise you we're in this together and we will get through it together. So again, if you have any concerns that you need to reach out to the guidance office, please don't hesitate to do so. Thanks and welcome to the 2021 school year.